Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Here we focus on showing you how to achieve sustainable style by fixing up furniture in an earth-friendly way. Today I have a buffet that I'm refinishing for a friend. She bought this piece from Facebook Marketplace and it's a really solid piece. Structurally it was in good shape, but it did need some repairs, like wood filler to fill in some holes in the veneer, and also I did minor glue repairs on the drawers and top of the buffet. After all the repairs were made, I scuff sanded with my surf prep to scuff up the glossy finish. After I sand, I clean with a vinegar water solution. It's the same solution I use to clean my kitchen. If you want more details, let me know in the comments. After I sanded and cleaned, I primed with Country Chic Clear Primer. We're using Country Chic's Peacoat, and I was thrilled to use this color again after finishing an incredible desk with Peacoat. I'll link that video in the description. The coverage is incredible, but I ended up using 3 coats because of the open wood grain on this piece. I wanted to be sure every little hole was covered. I didn't get any video of the first coat because I was doing a branding photo shoot with my friend while I was painting. Be sure you're following us on Instagram so you don't miss those photos. And follow her too because she's an amazing DC area photographer and she's quickly building her branding expertise. I have links to our accounts in the description. For my top coat, I use Country Chic Clear Coat, which gives furniture a nice glossy look and protects really well. I was focused on trying a lot of new application techniques this time, so I didn't get any videos of me applying it, but it involved adding a little paint to my clear coat and applying with a brush. I've always used sponges before, but I think I've discovered brushing is my favorite. I'll be sure to video the application next time because I'm amazed at how well everything turned out. So here's a reminder of how the buffet used to look. And here it is transformed. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. This deep and rich navy color with champagne pulls is both classic and bold. The piece is ready to make a statement in my friend's dining area while blending in with the other decor she has in nearby areas. Fixing up a marketplace find with earth-friendly paint is the ultimate sustainable style. If you like what we did, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram so we can keep showing you ways to create your own sustainable style. See you next time!